Hi there! Welcome to Homeschooling with Hera. I hope you all are well. In today's class, we shall learn the comparative and superlative degree of adjectives. Sound difficult? Don't worry, it's very simple. Come on, let's get started. Now let's see this. This is a big tree. A big tree. But this one is bigger than this. This is big, this is bigger, and this is the biggest. Big, bigger, biggest. Come on, repeat after me. Big, bigger, biggest. A small car. But I think this is smaller than this. Yes, this is smaller. But how about this? This is the smallest. Small, smaller, smallest. Come on, repeat after me. Small, smaller, smallest. Now let's see. This is a tall cylinder. This is tall. What do you think? Is this the taller one? Yes, this is taller. Tall, taller, and tallest. This is the tallest one. Tall, taller, tallest. Come on, repeat after me. Tall, taller, tallest. Let's look at the hair of these ladies. She has short hair. Her hair are shorter than her. Short, shorter. But she has the shortest hair. Short, shorter, shortest. Come on, repeat after me. Short, shorter, shortest. This is a wig. This wig has long hair. But this wig has longer hair than this. What about this one? This is the longest wig. It has the longest hair. So come on, let's repeat after me. Long, longer, longest. Long, longer, longest. Look at these men, they all are strong. He is a strong man. But I think that this one is stronger than him. He is strong. He is stronger than him. And he is the strongest. Now come on, let's repeat after me. Strong, stronger, strongest. Strong, stronger, strongest. Look at these three pictures. This picture is dark. It's night over here. But this one is darker than this. Can you see there is nothing? No light. So this one is darker than this. But what about the last one? It is the darkest. This is dark. This is darker. And this is the darkest. Dark, darker, darkest. These are three pools, swimming pools. This one is deep. This one is deeper than this. Deeper, deep, deeper. And this is the deepest. So this is deep, then deeper, and deepest. Come on, repeat after me. Deep, deeper, deepest. Deep, deeper, deepest. It's really cold today. This is cold. But this is colder than this. Cold, colder. And this is the coldest. Come on, repeat after me. Cold, colder, coldest. Cold, colder, coldest. This man is fast. But I think this woman is faster than him. He is fast, she is faster, and he is the fastest. Fast, faster, fastest. Come on, repeat after me. Fast, faster, fastest. He is happy. He is happier than him. But he is the happiest. So how would we say this? Happy, happier, happiest. Happy, happier, happiest. So that's all for today's video. I hope you have liked it. If yes, please hit the like button. If you haven't subscribed, subscribe to my channel. I shall see you soon with another video. Till then, take care and bye.